You know, I was checking out salaries for lunch ladies the other day. No, don't worry, I'm not leaving you guys. And I saw that they make around $22,000 a year. But hashtag not all lunch ladies, because in Connecticut, there are two who were recently arrested for allegedly stealing around $500,000 from their schools. Let's check it out. Everyone loves Grand Theft Auto, but how about Grand Theft Lunch? These two ladies, Joanne Pasquarelli and Marie Wilson, are sisters who allegedly stole, within 5 years' time, $478,588 from Sachs Middle School and New Canaan High School, schools in a wealthy Connecticut neighborhood. Joanne and Marie were in charge of the cafeterias there and apparently told the cashiers not to count up how much money was earned on any given day. They would then underreport the earnings and swipe the rest of the cash. But at least one of these lunch ladies isn't going down without a fight. Mark Sherman, Marie's attorney, said there is much more to this story. Marie is innocent and did not personally divert a single nickel of town money for personal gain. She is not going to be scapegoated for the missing money. Joanne and Marie got charged with fraud and larceny and paid $50,000 in bail apiece to get out of prison. And get this, New Canaan police believe that the sisters have been poaching money for 15 years. But fortunately for the ladies, a statute of limitations bars them from being charged for anything longer than 5 years. Marie and Joanne are scheduled to appear in court on August 21st and 24th respectively. But hold on, what is up with Connecticut recently? You might remember when I reported on feminist professor Matthew Fantastic Loader. Yes, that is his middle name, and yes, that is him in a Snow White outfit there. Loader allegedly put a YouTuber in a headlock and began punching him in the head. It's been nearly 3 weeks since that incident and still no arrest. For Campus Unmasked, I'm Rob Shimshock. If you like this video and support our mission, please make sure to comment and subscribe. If something happens on your campus and you'd like us to investigate, send us details using the form on campusunmasked.com.